Hey y'all, welcome back. We are doing what I got my kids for Christmas video. Super quick, super fast, straight to the point. I have a 3-year-old little girl and an almost 8-month-old little boy. And I'm gonna turn around and show you what I got them for Christmas this year. If you have any questions about where I got them, about pricing, anything, just leave it in the comments down below and I will do my best to get back to you ASAP. And I've got to make this quick because it's actually about his bedtime and he's out there with daddy and he's really cranky and tired. So just hang on tight and here we go. All right, so we're going to start with baby boy's Christmas items. This is the first item we got him. I feel like it was a real challenge trying to figure out what to get my kids, honestly. Especially since he's not old enough to tell me what he wants. But we don't have anything like this already and it's age appropriate, so I went ahead and got him this little driver steering wheel. And this little toucan, I thought he was super cute, easy to like take on the go with us in the car, and it lights up and sings and all that good stuff. So we got this little guy. I thought these stacking rings were the coolest thing. All these different like colors and textures, and you can stack them. It doesn't have to be like the biggest to the smallest. They can stack them however. I thought these were super cool. And I got him this little dinosaur, and he cranks. So he makes the little cranking noise, like his little head. Let's see here. Clicker Pal. So I thought this was super cute. Got him the Clicker Pal. Got him a little stuffed dinosaur. I got this from Target, I believe. And this is actually going to go in his stocking. It's a plush toy, a little lion that sings and does music and all that stuff. So this will go in his stocking. Alright, so you can see he's soft and he has little buttons and sings and lights up and all that fun stuff. So I thought that was fun for something a little different. And like I said, this is actually going to go in his stocking. This is another toy that we got for him, the Leapfrog little remote. And then these are all like little stocking stuffers. So we've got the little passy. I actually found this at the Dollar Tree. And this at the Dollar Tree, little Elmo teether. I found this little crinkly book at Walmart for like $1. And this may or may not go in his stocking, but it's a shaker rattle. And he could chew on it, and I just thought it would be interesting enough to maybe, you know, he would have fun with that. I also got for his stocking some new little clips, attachment thingies for his passy. On to Reese. Okay, this is kind of chaotic, but so we kind of got like a Minnie Mouse / Peppa Pig thing going on, but I'm going to start with this right here. So for her birthday, she actually got some of these Scribble Scrubbies, Crayola animals. She got the big set for her birthday, and y'all, she loves these things so much. I mean, she'll just sit on the floor and play with them. And if you don't know what this is, you like, if you're familiar with like a doodle bear or something like that, you draw on it and then it washes off like immediately after if you put it in water with a little scrubby brush. So, and you can do it over and over and over again. And this is the Arctic one that has like the little igloo. I just thought that was so cute. I found this at Target. So I got her this, and I picked her up some more Play-Doh, just like the regular colors, standard colors. I got this, I believe, at Five Below. And she has been collecting the Berenstain Bear books. So I got her 2 more to go with her collection. And Grandma and Pop are actually getting her a piggy bank this year. So I thought this would be fun to go along with that. Okay, and then we also got her the book about strangers. So those are the 2 Berenstain Bear books we got to add to her collection. And then we got this, lots of Play-Doh stuff too. I found this actually at Aldi, and it was like $2.49. So as I was walking by to check out my groceries, I just grabbed this because it was too good to pass up. I mean, that's cheaper than even at the Dollar Tree in that like $5 aisle. So $2.50, you can't beat that. So we got that. And this matching game is really fun and age appropriate. I got this at Five Below for $5. I almost ordered one on Amazon for $10, but I saw this one for a little bit less, so I got this one instead. And this is her big gift. This is the ultimate Minnie Mouse mansion, and I feel like she's just gonna have a ball with this, and I'm just so excited to give her this one. So this is like her big gift. Then over here, I did get her, this is kind of a big gift too. It's a Play-Doh kitchen set, so she can make cakes and do all kinds of fun stuff with this one. And one more Play-Doh thing that I got her was Peppa Pig. The box is kind of beat up. I ordered this one on Amazon, but it's like got the cutout so she can make the shapes of Peppa and make little outfits and stuff like this. It was only like $8 if I remember correctly, so I thought that was cute. And I got this Peppa Pig book that makes all the sounds as you read. She loves stories like that and books like that, so got this. And then I found this little library because she loves tiny books too. So I got her a Peppa Pig collection of tiny books. And this is what's going in her stocking. It's just like a really cute turtle. I found this on Amazon. It's not a Squishmallow, but it kind of has the look of a Squishmallow. He's a little bit firmer than a Squishmallow, but he's just too adorable. I just couldn't pass him up. And then I found this at Five Below. It's a little hamster that rolls around. I figured we could, because we have hardwoods, I figured that would be fun to watch this little guy roll around the house. And this is a Peppa Pig set that has a swing, and I actually ordered her this one first. So I got this on Amazon. I'm gonna have to put a picture of it up on the screen for you because they put it in this like eco-friendly packaging. So it's in here. Let me kind of show you. So it'll be interesting whenever she's opening it up. It'll be like a big surprise since you can't really see it, but there's like a little bunny rabbit character. It's a swing set. That's what's in here. And then that was really all that I was gonna get her, but then she started playing Peppa Pig, like with the family, like Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, Peppa and George, and she was using her fingers to pretend like they were the characters, and I was like, oh no. I have to get her the whole Peppa Pig family. So that's what's in this box, and it's the same exact setup. And look how beat up this box is. But luckily enough, it's okay. It looks like it's all right. So this is the car. I got her the whole get up. It's got the car, the house, and then it's got Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, and Peppa and George. And so this is another kind of bigger gift, I guess, but knowing her, she'll probably have this set up alongside of her Minnie Mouse Mansion, and she'll just have all the characters playing together, and she'll just have a blast. So, and then a few stocking stuffers, because I'm probably not going to have a chance to make a video solely about stockings, but I found these cute, adorable sticker earrings for little girls. I remember having these when I was young, and I thought they were the coolest thing. So I got her these to put in her stocking, and it came with like 6 packs. I'm not going to put all of 6 of them in her stocking, but I'll probably put like 2 of them, and then we'll save the rest for later as she uses them. So these will go in her stocking. I found this like mystery, it's like one of those blind bags, and it's a squishy marshmallow. I got this at Five Below, so we don't really know what's in here. I guess it could be either any one of these. And then I found this to put in her stocking. It's just like a little cat dog thing. I don't really know what that is. But it has hair and you can brush it and style it. And then a Coco Melon little marker book for her to play with. So that'll go in her stocking. I'll probably do, oh, last thing, and this is a real Squishmallow. The little blind bag, little mystery Squishmallow, and it has a little fashion accessory with it. So it could either have like a little dress or like a little hat or something like that. So I'll also get some candy to put in there too. But y'all, that is it for my littles this year. Like I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and I will answer all the questions I can as quickly as I can for you. And let me flip around and say goodbye. Alright y'all, well that is it for today's video. I gotta wrap this up and get back out there with Peter and the kiddos. But thank you so much for watching, and just know that I appreciate you more than you will ever know. I hope that you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Just enjoy being with all of your loved ones, and take care, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!